Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at the brand new Take a Trip Traveler's Notebook Project Kit. You'll find a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase. So we'll take a look at the completed project and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. As always, the Lael by Mail Traveler's Notebook Project Kits are going to include color step-by-step instructions along with access to a 3-hour-ish class where I make the project right along with you step by step. And if you're not able to make the class live, you can always watch the replay. So one of my favorite things to use the Traveler's Notebook for is travel. There are lots of different things you can use them for, but travel is one of my favorites. So in this case, I have used the Navy Petal Perfect Traveler's Notebook cover for my project. Now that is not included, a cover is not included as part of the project kit because many of those people purchasing already have a cover. There are options on the website where you can bundle it with a cover, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But I have added to the project that beautiful cover. And I went with the navy just because there's a lot of navy colors in the project itself. So as we start to take a look, I have decorated the pockets. So in class, we'll be decorating pockets with this cute little, look at that little charm that is attached. That is part of the project. And then we have 2 inserts that will be slip covering. First one, there's another little charm, little airplane charm. And then the second one is a slip covered with just really fun postcard paper. And then we will also be creating a little pocket folder. And that pocket folder is great for storing your tickets, ephemera, anything that you're collecting on your trip or that you collected on your trip. All right, so as we get going, I have pretty much done everything in this first insert, but you have 2 inserts, so you may be kind of doing your spreads across both of the inserts. The project kit includes a stamp, a Far From Home 4x6 photopolymer stamp from my friend Carrie Bradford. And so I've used that stamp quite a bit in the project. So as we get started, pockets, doing a lot of stamping in this project. So doing stamping for your journal, for your spreads, adding your photos, what have you. Adding a little bit of washi that's part of the kit there. So that's what you're primarily going to see here. Lots of different spreads to give you ideas for what you might do. Now you have a full 12x12 sticker sheet along with a package of puffy stickers. So you really could get creative in terms of how you decide that you want to decorate. But in class, we will talk about getting all of these pages set up, adding lots of the stickers and the puffy stickers, washi, doing a little bit of stamping. So I think that if I remember correctly, I did 16 spreads with the product that is part of the kit. Really fun collection, obviously a travel themed collection, but super fun. I think I've used the stamp set on every one of these spreads. Look how cute, bits and pieces from our time here. Great for, adding your photos and including all of your memorabilia that you've collected along the way. That little strip there is using a stamp from the stamp set. Loved that Far From Home. That's just really cute, I think. Where everything moves at its own pace, right? Sometimes your travels, hopefully you're getting a little bit of that in your travels, where you're just kind of taking your time and leisurely enjoying. That little stamp is also from the stamp set, so using it as a bullet for your list. Lots and lots and lots of options to use the product, and then obviously the stamps. Best thing about stamps, right? That you could just continue to use those over and over and over. So in class, we will actually be talking about stamping quite a bit, and we will go through lots of different ways to use the stamp set. So this is just kind of an idea sheet that we will go through all of these and kind of work with them. Again, creating a little border, this time with the airplane, combining multiple stamps together, and then even using stickies to create masks if you only want to do part of a stamp, right? So there you go. That is the first insert. As I mentioned, the pocket folder. creating a little pocket on the back, and then that second insert. But I, like I said, for class have done pretty much everything in that first insert. So that is the completed project. Let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So as I mentioned, the kit comes a la carte. So without a cover, but I do have bundles for 3 separate covers. This is the one that I use, the Navy Petal Perfect. This is a black stripe, the Breton black stripe, and then this is just a solid black. So you will see all of those options in addition to the a la carte option on the website, laelbymail.com, as I mentioned, linked in the description box of the video. All right, so now here's the kit. So I have packaged the kit in one of my new 13 by 13 storage pouches. So this is how your kit comes packaged in here. But the reason I included the kit in this, which is not something I normally do, is because I love to collect memorabilia when I am traveling. So we will actually talk about that quite a bit during class. But now your bag, your kit bag really, this 13 by 13 storage pouch, now can be used for you to take on your trip and collect all of your memorabilia and things, and you have it all together in one nice, really nice place. So very nice quality. I've linked these in the description box of the video as well. All right, so here is the stamp set that I talked about, the Far From Home stamp set. Also included in your kit is one of my 4x6 stamp storage pouches, so that you have a little stamp storage sleeve, excuse me, so that you have a little sleeve to store your stamp in. This is how I store all of my stamps, in those sleeves. You have a package of the Let's Take a Trip puffy stickers. So Let's Take a Strip, oh my goodness, Let's Take a Trip is the collection that I've used for the rest of the project kit. So a package of really fun little puffy stickers there to add a little bit of extra dimension. Your kit does include a package of 2 of my standard wide lined inserts. So those are the inserts I used in the kit, standard wide, 5 by 8.25. You have this really fun washi. So that washi, we'll just take a look at that again, so it'll give you an idea of what that washi looks like. But travel, explore, discover, let's go. And you have lots of extra washi left over, even after what I did. That's a really 30 feet of washi, so you've got plenty to work with there. You have here 2 charms. So you have the airplane charm, the globe charm, and then some baker's twine. So that's how I use that here. There's baker's twine to kind of tie the tag, and then the little airplane charm. And again, that's where my little globe charm is, just hanging off the little suitcase sticker there. And then you have, I'm kind of going backwards here. Then you have the color step-by-step instructions. We will go through in class. We'll work very closely with those. You also have an idea sheet for different things that you could do in your traveler's notebook as they relate to travel. Then we have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet from Let's Take the Trip. Nice heavy cardstock stickers. And then 4 sheets of pattern paper. So the really fun travel icons with the airplanes on the back. We actually have 2 sheets of the 3x4 cut apart cards, because in one case we're cutting the cards apart, but then the other case we are using that really fun cloud pattern to slip cover one of our 2 inserts, and then that second sheet to slip cover our second insert. So there you have it. That is the Take the Trip Traveler's Notebook Project Kit. You'll find a link in the description box of the video to purchase, as well as a link to, I am selling some of the Let's Take the Trip products a la carte, along with a link to the to that storage pouch that I shared. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment on the video, or go to laelbymail.com and click contact us, and I'll be happy to respond. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.